Miss, would you like to have a cup of tea or coffee?
No, I don't think so because the weather is too hot. So it's okay. Thank you.
It's great. The flavors are awesome, so you can have one basically.
Okay,
if you
as
want.
you're insisting, I think I might take one. How much is the coffee and how much is tea?
The coffee is for 10, and I'm sorry, I made a mistake.
Okay,
The
it's
coffee is
okay.
for 20 and tea is for 10.
Okay, can you lessen the amount?
No, there's no discount.
So I'd like to take the coffee
Okay.
as I prefer coffee to tea.
Okay, thank you. So I'm gonna pour it up.
Okay.
Okay, there it is.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Anything else?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, just have a sip of that and tell me how's that. Okay.
Yeah, the coffee is good.
Mm-hmm.
It's not bad. The coffee is actually good. So I'll give you the money. How much is it?
20.
20. Okay, 20 taka. So what else do you do except this? Do you just sell coffee
No,
and tea all the
it's
time?
basically a seasonal business, and sometimes I do sell the flowers, you know, in the Chondi Mountain.
Okay, how much
So-
do you earn a day?
It's around 500.
500.
Exactly.
Okay,
It's
so
about 500.
that's not a very small amount. It's kind of good. Best of luck for your business, and
Thank you.
I hope you'll do great in your life.
Thank you, thank you. Thank
Okay,
you, miss.
thank you.
Have a good day.
Thanks.